Hey guys, and welcome to another tutorial. Today we're gonna make our player shoot. So let's start with making our bullet. This will be our bullet. Let's make material for it. And let's make it something like this. It's a little bit smaller. Okay, and we need rigid body with our bullet. Okay, this is bullet. We're gonna save it here, and now we need to create script. Two scripts. One for shooting and one for our bullet. Okay, now we need to edit both of them. Okay, let's start with shooting. So we need to have our bullet object here. We need to have key which we will be pressing to shoot. Time to destroy bullet to not make too many of them on the screen. And bullet speed. Okay. We don't need start method. We only need update. If input get key down shoot key, then we're gonna spawn a bullet. Okay, can call it this. Instantiate bullet transform position plus transform forward to make it spawn in front of our player, and transfer rotation. Then we're gonna set the destroy of this bullet object, and we're gonna destroy it after this time. Okay, now we need to move our bullet. Bullet object. And we're gonna use rigid body for this. Add force, transform forward times bullet speed. Yeah, it's okay. And we're gonna select force mode to velocity change. So we ignoring our mass for this. Okay, and I think it's all for the shooting. Now we need to make a bullet. So for bullet we need one thing. String don't collide. This way our bullet will not collide with our player. We don't need update or start. Instead we need on collision enter. Okay. If collision game object tag is not equal don't collide, then we're gonna handle our collision. So destroy collision game object. Not collision game object, this game object. We don't want to destroy object we collide with. Of course, we can do this if our object is breakable or something. But this is not for today. So let's make that game object get controller HP bar. So like you can remember, we have HP bar in our project. This is the one. And when we collide with object that has HP bar, we need to make him take some damage. So we need to add this script and make public void do damage, and we're gonna use integer damage. Okay, so HP minus equal damage. Okay, so now we can do something like this, and do damage and make it, for example, 5. Okay, I think we have everything. Now let's go back to our bullet. We need to attach bullet script to our bullet, and we need to attach shooting script to our player. Okay, bullet. This is our bullet, and make it right control. Yeah, it's gonna be good, I think. I think it's too slow, but we will check it out. Yeah, it's too slow. So let's make it 50. Yeah, and like you can see, bullet going down with gravity. I think we don't want that in this project. So let's quickly change freeze position, position it, yes, freeze position Y. And then when we spawn a bullet, it should go straight without going down. Okay, now we need to test it on object. Let's copy this one, make it some color like this. Enemy, this is our enemy. Okay, and we need to add and HP bar. Yeah. Forgot how I done this. Okay. Okay, I've made it like this. Okay. So we're gonna use this, and HP image will be this, I think. Yeah, this. HP image is this. Okay. And now we should set it to 000 for now. Okay, and we should have HP bar above this sort of enemy, and when we're shooting, you will lose HP. Yeah, everything works fine. So we have shooting. I think we can make whole game out of this. I will try to make simple game for you to recreate. And that's all for this video, and see ya, guys.